Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function reverse. Hi, Python enthusiasts. In today's video, we are exploring the reversed function, a simple yet powerful tool for reversing sequences in Python. By the end of this video, you'll know what reversed does, when to use it, and how it can simplify your code. Let's dive in. What is reversed? It's a Python built-in function that returns a reverse iterator over a sequence. Here's the syntax. Reversed and the argument sequence. The sequence argument is a sequence that supports reverse iteration, such as a list, tuple, string, or range. The function returns a reverse iterator, which can be used to traverse the sequence backward. Why use reversed? It's the go-to tool for iterating through sequences in reverse order without creating a new reversed copy in memory. Key concepts include iterators. Reversed returns an iterator, which is more memory efficient than reversing the sequence outright. Sequence compatibility. It works with sequences like lists, strings, tuples, and ranges, but not directly with unordered collections like sets or dictionaries. And dynamic iteration. You can combine it with loops or compressions for flexible reverse traversal. So you'd use reversed when you need to traverse a sequence in reverse order, when you're working with large sequences where memory efficiency is important, when you're avoiding manual slicing or reversing operations for better readability and performance. Let's start with a simple example of using reversed on a list. Here, reversed creates a reverse iterator for the list, and the for loop iterates through it backward. You can convert the reverse iterator into a list for immediate access to all elements. In this example, list reversed numbers gives a reversed copy of the original list. The reversed function works with strings too. Let's see an example. Here, reversed creates a reverse iterator for the string, and .join function combines the characters into a new reversed string. The reversed function is also compatible with ranges, making reverse loops easy. In this example, reversed works directly with the range object, eliminating the need for manual reversal. Let's reverse a tuple and convert it to a list for further processing. Here, the reversed function iterates over the tuple backward, and list materializes the reversed order as a list. Here are some important points about reversed. It doesn't work directly on sets or dictionaries because they don't maintain a specific order. The returned iterator is consumed as it's used. Convert it to a list if you need to access the reversed data multiple times. It's memory efficient, especially when working with large sequences. And that's the reversed function. To recap, it creates a reverse iterator for sequences. It's versatile, working with lists, strings, tuples, and ranges. It's more memory efficient and simplifies reverse traversal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!